Today is a truly momentous occasion in the history of the University of Cape Town. I welcome you to this auspicious and special celebration of the inauguration of our 11th Vice-Chancellor.
I woke up thinking about my speech. I woke up thinking about who's going to show up, how the day is going to be. But what I would not have anticipated is the emotion in the room. It's not something that I can describe in words. It's something one has to feel.
It is my great privilege to introduce the 11th Vice-Chancellor of UCT. It was very special to install our 11th Vice-Chancellor, Professor Mosa Moshabela.
I have my own background in terms of the work that I've done, the research that I've done. I've always thought that I'll be a scientist and a leader in my field, but I never really thought that I would be #1 at UCT. In fact, if I were to become VC somewhere, I would not have thought that it's UCT. Precisely because UCT has so much talent, so many people that are so good at what they do. And we just assume that the next leader of UCT will emerge from within the ranks of UCT.
The next significant part of this occasion is to attend to the matter of UCT's Golden Book. It is one of UCT's many treasures. In so many ways, it tells a story about the University of Cape Town and its passage through the course of history over the past 100 years. Mosa Moshabela, not only will he sign the 100-year-old book today in your presence, but he has also signed, as the first Vice-Chancellor, the new book, and he did that this morning.
So it was wonderful to see my mother being called to the stage with my wife. It took me by surprise. They didn't tell me, actually, that they were going to do that. I'm excited about what the registrar said, that, somehow that moment will go into the archives of UCT. So, really wonderful.
It will go down in history, and it will be recorded in the annals of the history of the University of Cape Town, what we have experienced today.
They didn't tell me that my mother was going to give praise to my clan names. I did not expect that. But really, for me, it created a unique experience that is about me. It was no longer just an institutional event. It was almost like I became one, personally and institutionally, and I think that really meant a lot.
And every day we are school. So
And I just hope that, this can sort of infuse and filter across the whole university in various faculties, departments, committees. Just the goodwill and the love that you saw and witnessed today, it was great.
The support that I have received since I've been here, it's been best described as, for me, as a sense of goodwill that I've been receiving. Because in a way, people were receiving me so well, even though I felt like I don't yet have a lot to show for it. But increasingly, I'm getting a lot of positive feedback And so I can actually feel that people are looking for a way to move forward and move forward together.
So I'm really, really excited that we have in Professor Mosa Moshabela somebody whose leadership is rooted in kindness, in compassion, in humility, and yet somebody whose vision and hard work is something that we should all be inspired by.
O rapelela gore batho ka moka ba mothege akere ka gore e salo Mosa ge a ka tenega ka pela a ka tla tlogela mošomo mara ge re ka mothega le ka dithapelo ke bona nkare a ka ya gona yena o ne maikemišetšo a mabotse le ditoro tše di botse tša gore bana ba tšwelele dithutong.
I am mindful that there are many young people who aspire to become vice-chancellors. And to all those young people standing here, sitting here, watching online, listening, I encourage you to continue to dream, to strive and aspire. And hopefully one day we may be honoring one of you right on this very platform.
Today was UCT at its best.